Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, the time has come where your boy can talk about the Jordan 4 crafts. In my eyes, I love them. Now, don't get me wrong, the seafoams was nice. If you looked at my last video, the seafoams was nice. They was nice, you know. But it was something about these crafts that just took my heart. Now, I don't know if it's just because the nice little suede that it has on this sneaker here, or maybe it just be the colorway, because I feel like the seafoams was pretty plain, you know, and the white kind of took over it. I just feel like it could have been, you know, the colorway could have been a little different, you know what I mean? But you know what, that's just a whole nother conversation. All right, just let me know in the comments what you think about the seafoam. Which one do you think is better, the seafoam or the crafts? Which one did you go with, or did you like them both? I mean, but me personally, guys, I do like the crafts much better, and it's something about this colorway that just makes it looks great, man. You know, I gotta sit down and just really look at this. But it's mainly, I think, because of the suede in it, and it's that grayish with that yellow in it. I think that's just what it is. It looks pretty cool to me. But yeah, man, just jumping right into this sneaker, guys. As you can see, we have a nice suede on this sneaker. Here's a suede that is it's a nice fine suede that goes through the front of the toe box. It actually has like a but it doesn't have the mesh, but it got like the suede cotton the suede cotton look to it, which I got images that you're gonna see it, guys. But yeah, we got the nice gray laces with it, and the suede that just goes up the tongue is actually great. And you have the nice yellow Jumpman here. Now, as far as the yellow, you have the yellow on the Jumpman, you have the yellow Jumpman in the back, you have the eyelids of the nice yellow on it on both sides, and hey, in the inside of here, you have a nice yellow Jumpman in the middle as well. Now, right along in the back, we got the yellow, but as you already know how we do on these actual the Jordan 4s, we have the actual Air Jordan symbol upside down, which is absolutely cool. Now, just at the bottom of the sneaker here, as you see, guys, we have the nice little, with the nice, I call it like a dark smoke grayish look going here, and then we have the actual white, and we have the actual yellow Jumpman with the yellow hint of on the bottom of the sneaker as well. Now, just coming in the front of this toe box, guys, we have a nice gray, a light gray suede, leather on the front of this actual sneaker, which is a fine texture. And this actual leather actually goes on the mids all the way around the sneaker. Also, it has like a up on the side of the panel, and it also has a nice crackling leather on one side of this actual Jordan 4, and on the other side we have the nice fine leather here with a nice patch here. Now, I don't know what this patch is absolutely for, but as you can see here, we got the actual patch here. And I'm thinking craft. In my mind, I'm thinking being craft. When you do craft work, you do have like patches and things like that. You know, I mean, I know a little bit of something. I'm stop, but yeah, dealing with like crafting, you have like, you know, I guess just looking. I don't know. You let me know in the comments. I'm just thinking off the top of the head right now, but that's just what I'm thinking about right now. But yeah, again, we got the crackling. As you can see, we got that crackling leather on the side of one side of the upper of the sneaker. Then, like again, we got the actual leather, a fine leather with the patch as well. Now, at the mids here, we got the nice white bottom of the mids here. Of course, at the air bubble here, we got the nice gray here in the back. And I just think that this sneaker is detailed better. The nice smoke gray along the front of the actual toe box, guys, as you can see. And it's just in the front of the toe box, and then it also follows it on the other side, you know, towards the mid of the sneaker as well. But again, I just feel like the crafts was just detailed a little better to me. Again, the suede kind of makes it look good. I'm not a gnat for suede, but certain sneakers with suede on it, it actually just looks better. That's just my opinion. It makes the sneaker stand out more. Again, I do like the crafts, you know, more than the actual seafoams. Don't get me wrong, seafoams is still nice, I'm not bashing it, but it's just the crafts just looks better to me. You know, that's just my opinion. You know, but I mean, guys, again, let me know in the comments what you guys think, what you want to like better. That was the right sneaker. Now jumping into the left sneaker here, again, we got gray laces in this sneaker here, and again, like I said, we got the yellow Jumpman that's on the front of the actual tongue of the sneaker. And again, we got the same old upside down Air Jordan. I don't know if the camera's adjusting to it, but I mean, again, guys, I mean, it's pretty much it for the sneaker. In the back of the sneaker, as you already know, we do have that nice dark gray, well, like another smoke gray, well, not a darker smoke gray, but it's gray on the actual pull tab, and you know, for the Jumpman as well. Yeah, that's all we got for it, guys. The actual Jordan 4 crafts. Again, I do think this is probably the better sneaker. I do like this one a lot. One more small detail I did forget: we do have the actual crackling going up the front of the toe box. I mean, not toe box. The front of the up where the laces are. We have the actual crackling leather as well here. But yeah, guys. I like them. I do like them a lot, and I know I've said about it many times, but I'm just letting you guys know I really do like the actual suede on the sneaker and the actual crackling leather and things like that. I think they did pretty good with it. But all in all, man, the Jordan 4 crafts, Jordans is coming out pretty strong for February. I really do think this is going to be a nice February. So I got more sneakers on the way, guys. Be on the lookout. But again, guys, love and blessings. Thank you so much for all the love and support. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Hey, also, man, I'm about to get back active with my IG, so check me out. I'll put a link up there, so not a link, well, matter of fact, just look at it right here. All right, so yeah, check me out on IG, man. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next sneaker video. Love and blessings. Peace.